Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 32 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School. We did entertain our upcoming 7th graders. So we do have a few pictures of our future Cougars in the connection for this week. Just a few things to note, parents. We will be beginning our K-Prep testing. It's actually called the Kentucky Assessment System now, but it's basically our state testing. And that will begin on Thursday. We also want to announce our Simons Middle School SBDM members for the upcoming school year. Congratulations to Heather Dowdy, Mark Earlywine, Sadie Ham, AJ Mulholland, and Crystal Thayer. Also, don't forget we do have the father-daughter dance that is upcoming. It is on May the 14th, and it will be from 6 to 8. It is open to any girl in grades pre-K through 8. And you can send your money to Simons Middle School for that, or you can use the PayPal QR code that you see there in the connection to pay. It is $10 a ticket. So we hope to have a really great event planned for all of our special young ladies out there. We do have several activities and events upcoming this week at SMS. On Monday, we will have an admin team meeting at 2. We also have a vaping presentation that is going to occur in Unified Arts classes. This is Teacher Appreciation Week, so thanks teachers and staff members. The amount of work that you guys put in at Simons Middle School for our students is amazing to me every day. So thank you so much for all that you do for kids. We do have a leadership team meeting briefly after school on Tuesday. On Wednesday of this week, we will have our K-Prep or our testing kickoff. And also on this day, we will have the school climate survey, which will be taking place by teams in some regular classrooms. On Thursday, that is the first day of our K-Prep testing, and it is going to be the reading test. And then we do have a father-daughter dance planning committee meeting, and that will be at 5:30 at SMS. On Friday, students will take the state test math assessment. It is also Bring It Friday, and teachers, gifted and talented progress reports are also due on this day if you haven't got those finished already. This week, we would like to take a moment to recognize our student spotlight, Miss Ava Watson. Ava is an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School. She's a Blue Barracuda team member, and she is an athletic standout. Not only does she excel in athletics, but she's also an academic standout, and she also has a really great personality. This week I had the chance to interview Ava for her exit interview, and she came in dressed very professionally and shook my hand and just did a really great job on her interview. We would like to talk a little bit, though, about her athletics. She was sensational during her 8th grade season of basketball and went on to play at the varsity level for the CHS girls basketball team. During her high school season, she averaged 6.8 points per game, 3.1 rebounds, 1.8 assists, 1.3 steals, and she made 69.5% of her free throws. I'm pretty sure she was recognized at the banquet this past week for having the highest free throw percentage, among other things. She also plays softball for the FCHS Panthers, and this past Friday evening she hit a home run, breaking the tie against Round County and helping her team score 5 runs in the 4th inning. The team did go on to beat Round County, so congratulations, Ava, on that. Ava is a hardworking student in the classroom. She exhibits a lot of determination and grit each time that she steps onto the field or the court, whether it's a pickup game or against the top-seeded team in our tournament. Ava always exhibits the same level of competitiveness. So congratulations, Ava. I'm so proud of you. I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you're going to do at Fleming County High School as a Panther, and thank you for always bringing it at SMS. The Achieve 3000 leaderboard for this week, we would like to congratulate on Monday Stacy Smoot, Tuesday Cozy Stevenson, Wednesday Heaven Finch, Thursday Trista Mays, Friday Megan Edmond. Our weekly top scorer was Trista Mays, and our 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Cody Stevenson with 14 and Elizabeth Thorne with 14. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.